Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Spotify as your Discord status indicator. Let's begin. Once you have opened your Discord, I want you to go over here. Click on your user settings, which is the gear icon. Choose connections. Then over here, you need to connect your Spotify account first, right? Click on view more, select Spotify. Once you've opened this, a new window will show. You need to log into your Spotify account and authorize connecting your account here with Discord. It will only take a few seconds, and once the integration is complete, go back here and your account will show up. You have the option to display your profile and display Spotify has your status. This is what we need to enable. Okay, make sure it is checked. Discord will automatically save the changes and apply those immediately. Then you can open your Spotify, and from there, any music you're going to listen to will reflect here as your status instead of the gaming. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.